lucky.
Yes, you are. Wow, 3 is a big number. 3 is so big. 3 is this many.
Yes, I do. What? Oh yeah. I did. Not my name.
Can you do a big jump on your beanbag? Oh, that feel good? And let's put your crown on just for a second, just to see how much smaller we need to be. There, can you look at Dada?
Hi, Dada.
Say, I'm 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old.
Whoopsie doo. I'll make your crown fit, okay?
Yes, and when you make my crown, you can make my crown.
And then jump a pilon.
Pilon?
Yeah.
Pilon was present. Grandpa, the builder.
Yeah. What else is on there? Scoop. And who else?
See, and from a pickles, and Spud, and Wally, and Goldie.
Wow. What is it?
It's blocks.
Yeah. Do we make a puzzle?
Yes, and
Do you want to open this? Do you want to open the card and see what the card is?
Oh,
it's Bobby.
It is. It's Bob the Builder.
Oh, a sparkly card.
Be gentle with it. Oh, turn it over. Look at this way.
Card.
Look at that.
A birthday cake for me to eat.
Yeah, and there's birthday presents laying all over, and there's a kitty cat.
Oh my goodness.
And can I eat?
Look at the kitties are wearing birthday hats and they've got balloons just like Martin.
Oh,
And
Can
look.
I eat some of this birthday cake?
Yeah. Can you pull this right here?
Oh, look at that. Do you see the doggies come out? The doggies and the little kitty come out with balloons for Martin.
And there's another one over here to pull. You see this one right here? Let me help you. Okay, now can you pull it?
The kitty cat plays on the ground.
That's a nice birthday card, isn't it?
Wow.
Can I eat this cake?
Yeah, here's some on a fork. Is it good?
Wow, that's great, Martin.
What a pretty card. That's the fanciest card I ever saw. Let's show it. Everybody. Let's spark
And
this
what's
now.
in there?
Let's open another
Can
present.
you open another one?
Let's turn this on and let's see what's inside.
Okay.
Maybe a big bag, maybe a big book. Yeah, this is a big book.
What is that, Martin?
What could it be?
Oh my goodness.
Is that a soccer ball?
That's a circle.
Oh boy.
Oh wow, you can take a soccer ball and kick it into a goal.
Is that for in our yard?
That's for in our yard.
Oh wow. Look at that.
See, you open it.
Yeah, we can make you open it. Wow, what are we going to say to Granny and Grandpa when we talk to them?
I'm going to say thank you.
Yeah, that was nice.
But today I have a
Was ist das auf Deutsch?
Ein Fußball.
Tore, 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 Tore.
Oh!
Whoa, good goal, Martin.